How to sell on Amazon without GST. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So you cannot sell all the items without GST. There are some items which are exempted from GST. You can only sell these items without GST on Amazon. And these items include food items like cereals, edible fruits and vegetables, but not frozen or processed. And you can also see other food items in this list and also the raw materials. Only these items are exempted from GST. Otherwise, you have to have GST number in order to sign up as a seller on Amazon. And you can just simply pause the video and check the different items which are here in this list. Or you can simply visit the option of exempted categories of sellers on Amazon. These are the categories. And for selling, you just have to click on this option of start selling and create your account, and you would be able to sell on Amazon without GST, but only these items. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.